It doesn't matter how many times you failed and you fell flat on your face. What matters is the number of times that you got up and you moved forward. And there's always, sabi nga nila, you don't need to be great to start. But you need to start to be great. Kasi, there's no such thing as perfect timing. Hindi dapat yung parang, ay, hindi ko kaya. Ay, parang, hindi naman ako marunong mag-English. Ay, baka hindi ako matanggap. Hindi ganon. Kasi when I started, I was a typical probinsyana. When I was interviewed, ang sabi ko sa, hi, my name is Marites. I am from Los Baños, Laguna. And this is my first time here in Manila. That's how I speak. And then with practice, you would learn how to communicate. You would learn how to be confident. At kayo, kanina nagtanong ako sinong matatalino, wala nagtaas ng kamay. You are intelligent in your own little way. Lahat kayo, each and every one of you, you are special. Do you agree?
Yes.
Sabi niyo nga, I am special. Hindi ko marinig. Lakasan niyo pa, I am special. Isa pa, I am special. Hindi kayo naniniwala, no? I am intelligent. I will become a millionaire. Yes! You can become a millionaire. Huwag niyo tawanan yung sarili niyo because that's reality. You will become a millionaire. Why? Because you are special. Why? Because you are intelligent. Sino dito ang may nanay na hindi sinabing gwapo ang anak ko o maganda ang anak ko? Meron? Wala! Nanay niyo nga naniniwalang gwapo at magaganda kayo. Kayo ba? Hindi kayo maniwala sa sarili niyo? You can do it. Being a freelancer is not for the weak of heart. Being a freelancer is for the people who knows what they want, who know what they are capable of, and who believe in themselves. Your success will not start with someone else. Hindi yan mag-i-start na sinabi sa'yo ng kaibigan mo, uy, ang galing-galing mo naman. Sige, magganto ka. No. It should start within you. Kailangan baguhin yung mindset na yan. Pag tinanong kayo, sino matalino dito? Ako! Hindi naman tatanungin yung grades nyo eh. Kahit na 5 pa yan o 4 pa yan eh. Diba? Sinong gusto maging boss? Ako! Ganun agad. Be positive. Kasi kung hindi kayo positive, kawawa naman kayo. You're missing a whole lot of things. Thinking of all the bad things that's happening in your life. Thinking of all the negative things that's happening in your life. Pag sinabi sa inyo, mahirap ako. Mahirap ako? No. Hindi dapat ganon. Change your perspective. Mayaman ako sa pagmamahal ng pamilya ko. Right? Do you need money to be rich? Plastic? I mean, that's right, di ba? You don't need a lot of money. You need to have love in your heart, confidence, and then everything will follow. Agree? Agree? Yes. So, open-minded pa kayo? Power? Power. Okay. So, guys, thank you very much for listening to that short story of mine. I hope you learned some things from me. As much as I'm learning, with the different kind of people as well that we meet.